Carmel-by-the-Sea, California, 3 days 2 nights travel guide. Carmel-by-the-Sea, California, 3 days 2 nights travel guide. About Carmel-by-the-Sea. Carmel is a charming coastal town in California. It is known for its fairy tale cottages, art galleries, and beautiful beaches. The town has a small, walkable downtown with unique shops and restaurants. The scenery includes rugged coastline, white sandy beaches, and scenic hiking trails. Open times and days. Most shops and galleries open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily. Restaurants usually serve lunch from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. and dinner from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Carmel Beach is open all day, every day. Some attractions close on certain holidays. Check before visiting. Precautions. Parking can be limited. Use public lots or park outside town. Wear comfortable shoes for walking on uneven paths. Weather can be cool and foggy. Dress in layers. Pets are allowed on leash in many areas, but check specific rules. Must visit places. Carmel Beach, famous for stunning sunsets and soft sand. Point Lobos State Natural Reserve, great for hiking and wildlife watching. Ocean Avenue, Main Street full of shops, galleries, and cafes. Carmel Mission Basilica, historic Spanish mission with beautiful architecture. Tour House, Poet Robinson Jeffers' historic home and garden. Things to do. Explore art galleries and meet local artists. Walk or bike along the scenic coastal trails. Enjoy wine tasting at local tasting rooms. Visit nearby wineries in Carmel Valley. Take a guided kayak tour along the coast. Attend local events or festivals if available during your stay. Things not to do. Do not feed wildlife or disturb marine animals. Avoid driving on the beach, it is prohibited. Don't ignore posted signs about protected areas. Avoid loud noises. Carmel values its quiet, peaceful atmosphere. Insider tips. Visit early morning to enjoy the beach without crowds. Try the weekend farmers market for fresh local produce. Book accommodations well in advance, especially in summer. Ask locals for hidden gem cafes or secret hiking spots. Bring a camera for sunrise shots at Carmel River State Beach. Possible deals. Look for hotel packages that include breakfast or wine tasting. Check local websites for seasonal discounts or festival offers. Some galleries offer free admission days or art walks with deals. Use Groupon or local deal apps for dining discounts. Best time to visit. Spring, April to June, offers mild weather and fewer tourists. Fall, September to early November, has warm days and colorful foliage. Summer is busy but lively with many events. Winter is quiet but can be chilly and rainy. Affordable places to eat nearby. La Bicyclette, cozy European-style bistro with wood-fired pizzas. Carmel Belle, casual spot for sandwiches, salads, and breakfast bowls. Grawings offers fresh, locally sourced dishes at moderate prices. The Forge in the Forest, great outdoor seating and hearty meals. Pete's Place, classic American diner open late with affordable options. We built a digital business to create ongoing income so we can follow our dreams and live an ideal life. If you are looking to start your own digital business, visit newbeginning.com and find out more.